Welcome to Classpad.net. Today I'm just going to show you very quickly how to access the function list for doing shortcuts on calculations and graphing and things. So I'm just going to give you some examples of what I'm talking about. Here I am in the calculate function. Let's say I wanted to expand some factorization. We're going to multiply out some polynomials here, right? Binomials times another binomial. We're just making it simpler. So as you see, this shortcut, this function expand is telling the computer, because it's got that cast system built behind it, what to do. I could also factor, right? So let's just do x squared minus 64. Or I could do things like find if out a number is prime. So let's do 79, and it brings back true. So all these little shortcuts, because of that cast built-in system, you can do graphing and those types of things. They must live somewhere. How do you know what the shortcuts are that you can use? You know, I could find a square root of a number, right? So let's do. So where do these shortcuts, these words, these functions come from? So the way to get to them is if you go up here where it says question mark. This gives you access to the user guide if you're interested in that. It also gives you the function list. So if I click the function list, you'll see that I have all these different types of functions that give me the shortcuts and sort of the little abbreviations that I can use, the syntax of how I need to do it, and you can actually search and go specific to certain types of functions. So let's say I'm interested in matrices. So if I click on that, it takes me right to matrix, and I can see all the little shortcuts that apply to that. So for those of you who are really interested in the cast system and the shortcuts and those types of things that are going to help you do kind of advanced functionality, those live again in the, let's go back here again, the question mark, and there's my function list. So if you're not sure, you know, what word usage do I use to have my shortcut, that's where you're going to find that list. So have fun exploring. Make sure you follow us on Twitter and Facebook. We're constantly updating everything, and we'd love to have you subscribe, follow us, and give us some feedback. Thanks.